how to subscribe to Elevenlabs. So go to Google, just search for Elevenlabs, click on the first one, go to the app. Over here it says go to app. I'm logged in already, so I'm not gonna show you how to sign up. But over here, click on your profile, then go to subscription. Over here you can choose your plan, depends on your needs. Then just click subscribe. Then you have monthly or yearly. Let's do monthly. And over here you just put your payment, subscribe, and that's it. You're good to go. Second option is just click again over here on my workspace, and over here it says upgrade. Click on that, and it goes immediately into the subscription plan. Again, it's the same location. Just click monthly, fill out your bill information. That's it.